The water ponds and lakes you see there are actually where the people dug up the earth to make their mounds. The Cahokians were master builders and erected a wide range and variety of structures, from homes for everyday living to public works. The greatest thing they did, they had a Stonehenge-like structure, and it was called Woodhenge. And it kept track of the solar calendars and the seasonal movement of the sun. The people of Cahokia also made pottery, and they used the coil method. In other words, they made a coil and twisted it around, and then when they got to the end, they smoothed it out and then put it in the fire and hardened it. And this is an example here of their work. I like the beaver pot in the corner. Right back there is another big mound. And the conical shaped ones are burial mounds. Some of the other ones, well, they could have worn down. It's not known. But I'm going to take you towards the great big mound. Right there is the biggest mound in North America, north of Mexico City. You can see the cars going by, and that gives you an idea of how absolutely huge this mound is. There are people on the top now. I don't think you're even going to see them with my camera.
We are at Monk's Mound. This is just a little east of St. Louis in Illinois. Monk's Mound is the largest prehistoric earthwork in the Americas. That's a lot of dirt to be moved. To think that the people moved all this dirt in baskets on their backs, dumping the dirt. And if you see in the background or in the distance some steps to go to the top, we're going to attempt to go to the top.